Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to purchase any app on your iPhone or iPad device and you face this type of problem. There is a billing problem with a family member's previous purchase. If you're having this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can get and how you can fix this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, here you will need to close this tab. So after that, first of all, you will need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here you will need to tap on your Apple ID profile. And first of all, here you will have to tap on subscriptions, and here you will have to unsubscribe all those subscriptions which you have subscribed. So after that, here is the option of family sharing. Here you will have to remove all the family sharing on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here you need to go back. Here you will have to close this tab. After that, here you will need to open App Store on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here you will need to wait a while. After that, here you will need to tap on your Apple ID profile. Then here you will need to tap on again your Apple ID. After that, here you will need to wait a while. It's being processing. You will have to let it complete it. After that, here you need to enter the password of your Apple ID. Then tap on done. Then after that, here you will need to tap on your manage payments. Then after that, you will see this type of interface. Here you will need to tap on country or region. After that, here again wait a while. It's processing. You will need to wait until it complete. Then after that, here you will need to tap on change country or region. After that, from here you will have to select your own country where you are living. So here I'm going to select my own country. You will need to select your own country where your billing or your bank is belongs. So here wait a while. So after that, here you will need to wait few seconds. So after that, you will see this type of interface. Here you will need to tap on agree. So after that, you will see this type of interface. Here you will have to select the debit and credit card, and here below you will need to enter your payment method. Then after that, here you will need to again enter here the expiry date of your debit or credit card. Then after that, here below you will need to enter the security code of your debit or credit card, and here below you will have to put your billing address. You can also enter fake one if you don't want to enter the original. Then here you will need to enter your city name. Then here below you will have to enter zip code of your city. If you don't know the zip code of your city, then you can check from Google. Then after that, here you will need to enter the mobile phone number. So after that, you will need to tap on next. So after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed, and in this way you can fix this problem if you're having this type of problem. After that, hopefully you will be able to download apps from App Store, or you can purchase any purchases from your iPhone or iPad device.